My name is Oliver Robin Nelson Perimo. So this is a Rotex 125 engine. Our racer is Zaran Mogul. What else do you need to know? There's a specified weight that you have to be to compete in this series of racing. So basically, this is Go-Kart racing, number 9. The engine specs is a 2-stroke engine, a Rotex engine, red top, which is sealed abroad and imported into Kenya. And you cannot open it in Kenya as yet. We still have to clear that up with the officials abroad so that we can be able to open it up here. And yeah, basically that is about it.
So go ahead.
We have a timer here for hours. There's a specified hours that this engine has to run. So this is the timer for the hours. And once it's done its time, it has to be exported again and redone, reassembled. And then we can bring it back. As you can see here, we have seals. They are sealed. These are sealed engines. We have not yet got the permission to open it in Kenya, but we are working on that at the moment with the officials. So we are hoping that will come through so we can be doing this here in Kenya. Yeah, and we have a specified weight. Right now you have to be, when you're in the range of 50, 49, 50, you're in a qualified range. You're not supposed to be too heavy or too light. So whenever you're weighing the car, it has to be weighed with the driver, his gear, his helmet, everything that he uses on the race for you to get to the specified race, to the specified specs of the weight for these carts. These carts basically cost for about 800 to 1 million shillings complete running as is. And quite an expensive hobby to have. Yeah. Is a 2-part mix of petrol and 2T oil, which has to be mixed. And when you play with your weight, you can either fill your tank, but we prefer to go halfway so that we play with our race as the fuel goes low. And each time we finish each race, we weigh our carts at the weigh bridge, and we have to come to the specified weight that is required for each cart. Tire pressure also plays a lot to your speed. You have to have a specified, depending, this is a secret actually, depending on your technicians, you have to have a specified pressure in your tires for traction on the track. Yeah, as you can see, these are the weights. These are the weights that we use. We have some mounted here and some behind the seat to distribute the weight so that we have the weight all behind for traction also. And this is the battery we use. It's a small, like a motorbike battery, 12 volt. So this is the specified specs for this. Yeah, it comes complete with a starter. It's not a pull. You just press and it starts. And that's the carburetor. We have a micron. We have a micron that gives you your lap. It gives you your lap, your time, your heat, your temperature of the engine, and the laps, and an imprint of the track that you're racing on. We use hydraulic brakes like you'd get in motor vehicles. This is the brake fluid cylinders This is the brake. This is the brake pedal. So basically, it's basically like a car. The braking system is just like the cars. This is the disc. It's a single disc brake. So as you can see, this is a disc like you would get on a motorbike or a small car. And that's the caliper, the exhaust here. My drivers are on Mogul. We really didn't have a good day today, but we're expecting to do much better the next race. And he was last year he was number 3 in Kenya. We are hoping to change that this year. We are hoping for him to be number 1 in Kenya. So we are working. It's a work in progress at the moment. Yeah. He's been racing from the age of 9 years old. So he's got some experience on his belt. He's 13 at the moment. So by the time he reaches 16, we are going to advance him to seniors. Seniors will be basically the same engine without a limiter. So it will be faster than this one. And you can see that is our pit crew. That's our trailer we travel with wherever there's a race. So we got our pit crew, Imran, Nicholas, and our senior, Mr. Mogul Senior. That's Zaran Mogul's father. He's also a former rally driver. Yeah. I hope when you edit, it will be okay. So we are packing up after the race now. As you can see, we are closing up. And I think the next time we'll meet will be at in Embakasi area, Nairobi. So we hope by that time we'll have tuned everything up for first position. There's some stiff competition also. There's some stiff challenges.
My name is Zahran Mogul and I'm cut 9. Yesterday it was a good day, but I made a few mistakes, crashed. Today I've done well, but I messed up at the end, but still going strong. In the future, I hope to be the F1 champion like Lewis Hamilton. The competition was really hard. It was really intense. I really thank the rivals for pushing me hard. And yeah,